Hello, my name is Alice Winema and I'm a lower primary English teacher. As English teachers, it's very important for us to know the 44 phonic sounds of English for us to be able to teach reading and writing effectively. In this video, we are going to explore them together, and by the end of it, we will have learned how each one of them is pronounced. The 44 phonic sounds can be grouped into three main categories. The first category is the vowel sounds, the second one is the consonant sounds, and the third is the digraph sounds. To begin with the vowel sounds, as we all know, English has 26 letters. These letters are also grouped into two groups. Group number one is the vowels, which are 5, and group number 2 is the consonants, which are 21. This totals up to 26 letters. Each of the letters of English has its name or how it sounds, and that is what we are going to mainly focus in this video. Let's start with the 5 vowels. In here we have A, E, I, O, and U. These letters have sounds as A sounds as A, E sounds as E, I sounds as E, O sounds as O, and U sounds as A. We are repeating. A makes sound A, E makes sound E, I makes sound E, O makes sound O, and U makes sound A. Moving on to the next group, in the 26 letters, we have 21 consonants. 21 consonants. And these are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Each of these letters has a sound. B sounds like B. C says K. D says D. F says F. G says G. H says H. J says J. K says K. It makes the same sound as letter C. C says K, same as K. K. L says L. M says M. N says N. O says O. P says P. Q says Qua, and it often goes with letter U to make the sound Qua. Kwa. R says S says S. T says T. T. V says V. W says W. X says X. Y says Y. And Z says Z. We are repeating them. B says B. B. C says K. K. D says D. D. F says F. G says G. H says H. J says J. J. K says K, like letter C. M says N says O says O. P says P. Q says Qu. And as I said, it often goes with letter U to make sound Qu. R says S says S. T says T. T. V says V. W says W. X says X. X. Y says Y. 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 And Z says Z. These are the 21 consonant sounds. Moving on to the third group of the sounds, we have the digraphs. The third main group of sounds is the 18 digraphs. Digraph simply means 2 letters, 1 sound. 2 letters make 1 sound. For it to be easy for us to remember, I have also grouped these 18 digraphs into 4 main groups. Group number 1 is the long vowel digraphs. Long vowel digraph sounds. And these are 5. We have 5 long vowel digraph sounds. These are A, I, O, U, and E. Remember, these are long vowel digraph sounds and they are 5. Let's see some examples that have these digraphs. With A, we have words like pain. I, we have words like tie. In O, we have words like goat. With U, we have words like blue. With E, or long E, we have words like bee. The second group of the digraph is the 5 consonant digraph sounds. 5 consonant digraph sounds. Here we have ch made by C and H. We have sh made by S and H. We have made by N and G. We have voiceless f and the voiced th. The 5 consonant digraph sounds. We are repeating them. C and H or K and H makes sound ch, ch. S and H makes sh, sh. N and G makes We have voiceless f, voiceless f, and voiced th. Here we have words like 3, while here we have words like they. The third group in digraphs is the R-controlled digraph sounds. R-controlled digraph sounds. Here we have 3 sounds which are R, we have or, and we have 3 digraphs that are pronounced the same way. These are R, and R. We have R, or, then R. Here we have words like bar. Here we have words like doctor, words like taller, words like shirt, and here turn. The fourth group in the digraphs is the vowel digraph sounds. These are also 5. And here we have oo, we have oo, we have o, we have oi, and we have ow. Oo, o, oi, and ow. Let's see some examples. Here we have words like book, the short oo. The long oo, we have words like moon. We have o, such as in words author. We have oi in words like oil, and ow in about. These are the 4 groups in the digraph sounds. Remember, the total of the digraphs is 18, 21 consonant sounds, and 5 vowel sounds, which totals up to 44. By teaching sounds step by step, we give our learners a tool to read, write, and thrive. Thank you.